For those who have wondered what a spiritual mind treatment is, I'd like to take this time to explain it in detail. Here we will break it down, so have a seat, get comfortable, and without further ado, let's get started. Breaking down what a spiritual mind treatment is, there are 5 steps to a treatment. Step 1. Recognition. Recognizing the source of all, Spirit, God, the Presence, the infinite supply of life. I recognize the infinite Spirit of God. I remember that God is the infinite Spirit that is in and through all things. God is all-powerful and wise. God is the perfect source of everything. Perfect health, prosperity, happiness, harmony, intelligence, energy. God is a loving presence and ever available. When I feel good, I recognize God. I feel God's presence of love, peace, wholeness, wisdom, grace, and prosperity. Omniscient, omnipresent, omnipotent. Step 2. Unification. I am. I recognize God as the ultimate presence and power in and through everything. I now accept that I and God are one. I know God acts through me, as me, and in all life. I am one with God now. I unify with the presence of God. I feel the characteristics of God. I remind myself I am part of God, and I have all the qualities in the infinite Spirit within me. I am perfect in every way, even if there is a situation that requires change. Step 3. Realization. I affirm. I already know that I am part of God. I realize without doubt or reservation that the good I desire to experience is now taking form through God's power. I am complete, and I accept it as done in the spirit of God's Spirit. I now embrace this feeling I am imagining in my conscious mind. I visualize my dreams fulfilled, and the experiences as though they are my reality. I visualize mental pictures and intensify the thrill and confidence of knowing that I have mastery over all my apparent problems. I build strong feelings of already having what I want. The stronger feeling, the stronger the treatment. Step 4. Thanksgiving, acceptance. I give thanks. Having clearly stated and affirmed what I want to experience, I thankfully accept that the good I desire is mine right now. I accept and give thanks for this good right here and now. If a friend invites for dinner, you are thankful in advance even if the dinner isn't happening immediately. It's the same in treatment. Know that Spirit is already creating whatever you have treated for, and you feel happy, excited, and grateful. Step 5. Release. I let go and let God. I am thankful and accept my good as done. I release my prayer to the activity of the universal law of God's power, in and through the one infinite mind. I let go and free myself from any doubt. I let go and let God. I release this truth and know it is done. Spiritual mind treatment explained by Dr. Tracy Brown, spiritual practitioner from the Center of Spiritual Living, Dallas. The first step of treatment is the first formal step of spiritual mind treatment. Recognition. Recognizing that there is only one power. There is only one life. It is the source of all life, and describing those qualities and attributes of the one that are related to whatever purpose I'm seeking to express. The second step of treatment is unification, because I have to remember and verbalize, wow, wait, this power that created me has its nature, these qualities, and it created me, so my spiritual DNA has those qualities already within me. There is nothing that can separate me from that, and the unification step allows us to speak up and speak out about the truth of that I am one with this power. This power is expressing in and through me. The third step of our prayer, our treatment is realization, describing what it looks like when the answer to my prayer is realized in my life. What it looks like, what it would sound like, what I would be saying, or what others would be saying. How I would feel now that this prayer has been answered and is showing up in my life. And so we realize that the answer is already complete in the mind of God. And so we described it as already done. That's what that third step is all about. And then the fourth step of treatment is thanksgiving or gratitude, expressing in our own words, our own way, the gratitude we have for knowing that there is this power for good in the universe and we can use it. Being grateful, not for things being done, but for the spiritual truth within which all of this is being done. The fifth step is release. Releasing the prayer. Depending on your background, the release you know if you grew up, or if you have a deep familiarity with the Bible. The scripture is not I, but the Father that does this work, and is all about releasing, knowing that this is happening, and is something bigger than me that is actually putting together all of the pieces. All of the players sequencing things in such a way that this demonstrates or manifests in my life, and then we release it, and we get out of the way. I hope you have a better understanding now and can ask yourself, how will this treatment affect me? How does it make me feel? What emotions do I have in receiving it? If you are still watching, may your higher source of spirit God abundantly bless you. If you have a minute, please share your thoughts in the comment section and share with your loved ones. May you have love and abundance in all areas of your life. Namaste.